What's up YouTube, and thank you for watching the Soldier Barber Life. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the Quevina Cordless Airbrush, so stay tuned. Alright, so before we jump into the unboxing of this Quevina Cordless Airbrush, I just wanted to talk about this product in general. So this isn't my first time actually having one of these airbrushes. I guess you could say this new one would be considered their 2.0. I did originally have their original version that they did come out with. And this has been the airbrush that I have been using for the past year. And it's been working great for me. I really enjoy it. Don't have any issues with it clogging. I keep it clean regularly. I use semi-permanent hair enhancements for it. So that's what I use it for, is for barber related stuff. But the first one you can see here, it has the little button on the side, and then you have the trigger nozzle here where which activates the spray to come out. And then as far as for charging, you have this port here where it came with a charger, and you would plug that into there like that, and then the other side was USB, and then that's how you would charge that. But this one was pretty good. Like I say, I was still using this up to this point. Works pretty good. No issues with it. Still working like a champ. But when Quevina did come out with the newer one, I was intrigued by it and definitely wanted to try it out to see what type of improvements were made, and try to see what was the difference on it, if it was better. Alright, so let's get into this unboxing of the Quevina Cordless Airbrush System 2.0, I guess you could say. So just reading some of the specifications on here, it is for the voltage, it is 100 to 240 volts, so dual voltage. The nozzle is 0.4 millimeters, runtime of 50 minutes, and a charge time of 1.5 hours. And then the cable, 5 volt boost, 8.4 volts, and the max pressure that comes out of this is 25 psi. So that's one of the most important things to think about when it talks about air compressors, especially the cordless kind, is how much psi can you get out of it. And this one is saying that you can get 25 psi out of it. So let's put that aside and let's take a look what comes in the box. So this one is the black, and it looks like we have that same kind of power button that is there. And one difference I do see, so we have a USB-C type charger that's on here, and it looks like it has some sort of LED indicator here, so that probably tells you when it's charging or when it's done charging. Then we have our spray nozzle. So the spray nozzle looks pretty much the same as the last one. Pretty standard spray nozzle. You can have your adjustment here to increase it, how much spray you want going in and out. You just make that adjustment here. Same trigger style, and then you have the different type of caps that you can put on there. And then that is it's like you just twist this onto there. Type of caps. So this one here, it's probably used for smaller volumes, but this is a twist cap off. I used to use this a lot at first, but I found myself after once I'd start getting liquid in there, it would get harder and harder to twist this cap on and off. So I found myself using some of the other ones, but this one is good. It looks better. But like I said, you may run into that issue if you're trying to use this one. So then we also have a larger dispenser here, which you can see could definitely hold a whole lot more fluid. And these ones are just pop on, pop off caps on it. And it does have some measurements on here on the side, so you can tell how much fluid is actually in there. And then if you're you're doing very large jobs, same thing. You have the very large volume one with a whole bunch of different measurements on the side there. Hold a whole lot more fluid. And then we have our charger. So that is a USB-C type charger. No plug that comes with it, but we can just plug that in, and then that goes right into there like such, and then you plug that into the side there, and that's how you get that thing charging. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach this one on. And that just screws right on there. Some liquid in there, and we'll kind of do a comparison compared to the original one to this one, and see how it's spraying. Alright, so we got some airbrush cleaner in both of these, so we're going to do a comparison between the two, the original and the updated model, and just kind of see the difference in the sprays, see if the PSI is the same, and just overall see if the newer version is a better option. So we'll start out with the first one. So as you can see, that's one issue that I did notice as I've had this over time, is that when I do initially start this one up, it does have a jet that does shoot out. It may be a way to fix that, but I'm not really sure. So let's go ahead and do a spray test. So definitely a good, still got a good stream of spray that comes out of there. Just from hearing, you can definitely hear that it sounds like it's got a good amount of power for a cordless air compressor. Alright, so on to the new one now. Let's turn it on. Like I say, it's just hit that button there. That's how you click this on. So this one definitely does sound quieter, and I don't know if quieter means less power or if it's the same amount of power, but we will see. The old compressor is older, so maybe that could be the reason why it's louder. But, let's give it a test spray. So still definitely got a good amount of spray coming out of there, as you can see. And then this trigger that's on the back of here will be the reason for you to adjust the amount of spray that you have coming in and out of it. So if you twist it in more, that'll make less spray. As you take it out, that's a larger stream that'll come out. And then twist it in. See, that's less spray that's coming out. More precise stream, and then as you take it out, that's a bigger stream that'll come out. So that's what I'm saying. This new option, that's still putting out quite a bit of spray, especially if you're like me and you're using it for hair enhancements. You're not spraying on a ridiculous amount. You just want a good consistent amount that's coming out, and then you want the ability to have precision on there. So being able to adjust this back and forth with and control how much spray you have coming out is a really important step, so you don't overspray your clients and have them with way too much enhancements to where it doesn't look natural. So that'll do it for this video. If you guys are interested in getting this product, I will have the link in the description. You can check this out. But like I say, I do recommend these Quevina Cordless Air Compressors. They are very budget friendly and they are good quality. Like I said, I've had this original one here for over a year, and just got this newer one here. So they are definitely they last for a good amount of time, and it won't break the bank getting them. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. I will be dropping new videos every week. Thank you guys for watching.